How to get VIP access on Youku application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are in Youku and wondering how to get the VIP access, here is how. Launch open the Youku application on your device, whether you are using a tablet, an iPad, or your mobile smartphones. Once you're inside the home page after logging into your account, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the VIP button at the top right corner from the home page. This will take you to a new tab where you can see your VIP options that you can choose from. You'll typically see options such as monthly subscription, quarterly subscription, annual, and 12-month plan option at the top. Go ahead and select the plan that you want to choose from the top that fits your preference, and after picking, go ahead and tap on the Pay Now button at the bottom. You'll see this button, simply tap on it and follow through the instructions. You can pick how you want to pay, that depends upon your region. You can choose mobile payment like Google Pay or Apple Pay, credit and debit card, or other local payment option that is available to your region. Go ahead and select or add a payment method if you haven't yet and follow through the instructions. Double check the plan you selected and confirm your purchase, and you can easily be a VIP in Youku. After the subscription is successful, you can sit back and enjoy and explore the premium content without interruptions. The VIP plan will help you get ad-free experience, early access to shows, exclusive content, and higher quality video. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.